Water travels a long way before it reaches our reservoirs, from the clouds in the sky, running from the land it falls on, and into our beautiful rivers and streams which feed our reservoirs. And it's from there we can take it and turn it into safe, clean drinking water for you. We have reservoirs and treatment works across our area. These are there to help us make sure our 3 million customers get a reliable service all year round. All our reservoirs connect into treatment works, where we make sure the water is ready to be used using a network of over 17,000 miles of pipe, enough to go to Australia and back. When we need more water, we take more water than usual from our reservoirs, rivers and streams to make sure we give you the water you need. And when the weather is hotter, we keep an eye on how much water is being used so we can plan how we get it to you. When there's less water falling as rain, and when we see people are using more water from the tap or from taking more baths and showers, we balance the available water around our whole network to make sure there's enough water for everyone. So while water levels might drop in some areas when the weather is drier, we still have a lot of water in the network. So you can help us. We have teams looking for any leaks across our network to ensure that this precious resource isn't wasted. But if you spot a leak in your street or in your area, let us know and we'll come to fix it. That way, there's more water for us all to use when we need it.